Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you what are the hidden features and best equipment in this car. The Focus ST includes hidden features such as configurable ambient lighting, automatic window opening with the key fob, launch control information display, and customizable instrument cluster screen. The additional turbo boost oil temperature and oil pressure gauges above dashboard are unique ST features. Higher trim also include premium Sony audio system and rear view camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.